Let's talk about all that leftover wood from construction sites in Ontario. Its journey is surprisingly complex.
From new condos to old buildings getting torn down, wood makes up a huge part of our waste.
But get this, a shockingly low number. Only about 15% of that industrial waste actually gets recycled.
And that's not just for wood, that's for all waste from these sectors. A huge gap, right? So what gives? Why is this so hard? Well, it all comes down to some really strict rules.
It starts with something called Regulation 347. This is pretty much the official rule book for waste.
And this rule creates a huge fork in the road. It splits wood into two different paths.
See, if wood is treated, painted, or stained, you can't just recycle it like normal.
Wood from older buildings is a big one, especially with that old lead paint. It needs special testing.
It's a test to see if toxic stuff could actually leak out into the soil or water. If the levels of things like lead or arsenic are too high, boom, it's now hazardous waste.
And once it's labeled hazardous, you can't just throw it in a bin. You need a specialist. This is where companies like 905wood.com step in. They connect the waste to the recyclers. They've got the whole setup, bin rentals, pickup, and making sure it's all recycled the right way. And they have the gear for any job, from smaller bins to these absolutely massive trailers. Okay, so what about the clean wood? Well, that's where things get really interesting. It's not waste at all. There are 4 main ways it gets turned into a valuable resource. We're talking energy, a coal substitute, mulch, and even furniture. It's a whole bioeconomy. So if we have all these cool solutions, why is that recycling rate still so low? It's a great question. Honestly, a lot of the time, it just comes down to money. It's often cheaper to landfill it. Plus, if a load is contaminated with plastic or drywall, the whole thing can get rejected. So, with our landfills filling up, the big question is, can we turn this problem into a resource?